Maggie Sottero stands for love, and love for all, including Mother Earth. We are a third-generation, family-owned company committed to creating a more sustainable future for the next generation and beyond. We are on a mission to learn best practices, reduce our environmental impact, and restore vital ecosystems, from Maggie's beloved birthplace, Australia, to the Great Salt Lake region we call home. We're reimagining everything we do with a regenerative, future-facing view. The Maggie family is committed to being the change, disrupting the standard, and creating the future to ensure our brides love stories and our planet endure. Maggie Sottero is working as quickly as we can to reduce our environmental impact, taking ambitious action in 3 key areas: waste reduction, resource consumption, and protecting biodiversity. We are working towards zero waste. We are working to become a more regenerative brand. We are supporting efforts to back healthy ecosystems globally. Be a partner in change with us to ensure your love story and our planet endure. In honor of every Maggie Sottero bride, we will plant a tree with 1 tree planted, supporting biodiversity protection. Let's celebrate a more sustainable wedding space with love, and love for all, including Mother Earth.